This video will show you how to install 4-in-1 boiling water tap. Firstly, unscrew the screws from the thread tubes. Place the tap base ring and seal on the 35 mm hole and align with it. Get the hoses through the hole one by one. Place the tap on the sink or work surface. Get the hoses through tap stabilizing ring. Get the hoses through tap stainless steel plate and seal. Screw up the screws back to the thread tubes. Connect the red hose to the domestic hot supply. Connect the T-piece to the domestic cold supply. Connect G1 2-inch female and PO pipe connector, and the blue hose to T-piece. Connect the filter to G1 2-inch female and PO pipe connector. Connect PO pipes to 1/4 T quick connector. Connect the PO pipes to 1/4 quick connectors. Connect the 1/4 quick connectors to the thread tubes. Connect the green hose to inlet of boiler. Connect the silicone tube to outlet of boiler and fixed with clip. Do not power the boiler if the tank is not filled with water. Open the boiling water until water comes out. Then the tank is filled with water. Plug in the electric cable and power up the boiler. Turn on the boiler. Preset temperature. Boiling water's ready. Enjoy an instant boiling water from the tap.